Hello and welcome everybody to the Genomics Bootcamp, a YouTube channel where we try to speak about genomics from a beginner's perspective and in a beginner-friendly way. This video is actually an introductory one to a playlist that is called Genomic Data Analysis for Beginners. The contents of this playlist, as the title also shows, is a very first tutorial for people who want to analyze the single nucleotide polymorphism data, or SNP data in short. So if you don't know anything about genomics or practical genomic data analysis, this is the playlist to start. The learning outcomes for this playlist or for these videos were set accordingly. So at the very beginning there is something about the SNP data itself, how it looks like in theory and how it looks like in practice in the genomic data files. Then you are introduced to Blink, a software, a very standard software that is used for genomic data analysis, and later on do your very first quality control, and as the goal of the playlist, or the last analysis on this playlist, is a principal component analysis, or a PCA. I would like to underline that even though the examples deal with livestock data and with goats, the very same scripts could be used also for any other type of SNP data. So the SNP data actually could come from plants, from microbes, from mice, from humans, from anything you can think of. Also, there is a written resource that I will link in the description of this video, and also you can find it linked around on this channel. It's also called the Genomics Bootcamp, where I go into detail about a very similar analysis that are described actually on this playlist. So if you want to watch the videos and at the same time read the chapters from the book, then you are very welcome to do so. If you have any comments or something comes to your mind throughout the videos, then I would be very happy to read about these in the comment section below the videos. And of course, if you like the channel, if you like the videos, then be sure to subscribe for more awesome content like this.